Today, we are going to take you on a journey to discover the ultimate healing juices packed with the power of nature for optimal health. So let's dive right in! First up, we have the Revitalizing Green Juice. This potent blend of kale, spinach, cucumber, and lemon is rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients, perfect for boosting your immune system and detoxifying your body. Next on our list is the Vibrant Beetroot Juice. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this deep red elixir is known to improve stamina, lower blood pressure, and enhance liver function. It's a true superfood in a glass. Moving on, we have the Zesty Ginger and Turmeric Juice. These two powerful roots are bursting with anti-inflammatory properties, aiding digestion and relieving joint pain. It's a natural remedy that can spice up your health. Now let's explore the refreshing watermelon juice. Besides being deliciously hydrating, it's a great source of vitamins A and C, promoting healthy skin and boosting your immune system. Cheers to a juicy way to stay hydrated! And last but not least, we have the invigorating orange and carrot juice. Packed with beta-carotene, this citrusy blend supports eye health, boosts collagen production, and strengthens your immune system. It's a true burst of sunshine. Remember, the power of nature is at your fingertips. Embrace the healing benefits of these incredible juices and watch as your overall health and well-being thrive. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey to unlock the power of nature through healing juices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy.